Hi guys, I welcome you all to the sixth module of this program where you're going to develop an API that's going to serve a machine learning model that is logistic regression. Don't really worry about this model, it's very similar to how a linear regression works. But yeah, we're going to start by understanding what this model is all about, then explore the data set that is with respect to the star type, different type of stars we are having, based on temperature, luminosity, absolute magnitude, and the radius of a star we can identify what type of star it is. Is it a supergiant? Is it a dwarf star? What type of star it is? So that's the kind of thing that you're going to look into over here. Develop an API, test that API, and you're going to build this whole project with respect to your VS Code editor. And once your API is created, we are going to create it, by the way, with the help of FastAPI. So we're going to look into all of this. And at the end, once the API is created, we are going to test it on the real star data, and it's going to be super fun. So let's get started.